Hi guys, it's Rosy
and Rosy,
and today I am going to dye my hair. That's right, you heard it here, dye my hair. First I got my ears pierced, now we're dyeing my hair.
She has been asking for this for like, what, 2 years?
Like longer than that, forever.
Yeah.
Like forever.
And I told her to wait until after her sweet 16 because I was like, you know, we want your hair to still be a virgin because, you know, it's your sweet 16 and I didn't want her to have like highlights or anything. So I am letting her dye it, but it's gonna be a balayage, which is more like highlights. So they're not gonna dye the like top of her head. That's still gonna be a virgin. But if she, you know, she's just trying it out to see if she likes it, if she likes,
you know, something different.
Yeah.
Because she always dyes her, well, she doesn't always dye her hair. She does it like once every few years. Can't see, but like in the sun I have like blonde a little bit, just a little bit.
I love her hair color. I don't really want her to change
a lot of people like my hair, but I don't know, man, just gotta go.
So she's been on break I was gonna say summer break.
I was like, wait,
she's been on winter break for a couple of weeks and she has 1 more week left. She's actually going back like on Tuesday. So she wants to go back with a new, like, you know, new year, new me.
Definitely new me, like a lot.
And we're gonna go get our nails done on Monday, and so she'll go back to school with like her hair and nails did. So we'll see how it goes. Have you guys gotten your hair
undyed? Like, if you cut it super short, comment down below.
Let us know. We want to know.
I used to have my hair like right here.
That was so long ago.
That was like a while. Yeah, that's when I was like 4th grade.
Yeah.
But that was past. Now my hair is long again, so.
Yes. So come with us. Let's see how it turns out. Show them like what your hair looks like right now.
This is what my hair looks like.
It's brown.
It's brown. And yeah, so we'll see you guys later. Bye.
So are you excited or nervous?
I'm both. I'm more excited.
Yeah?
I swear I have nothing else left to lose. Where have you been hiding all my life? I don't want to waste any more time. Call me crazy 'cause I think of you all the time on my mind. You keep on passing me by. Call me crazy 'cause I think of you all the time on my mind. You keep on passing me by. The reason that we seem to stay together, but she don't wanna go away. She don't wanna go away. She don't wanna. I don't wanna go away. We don't wanna go away. Yeah. We stay up all night until the sun comes shining on us another day. Oh.
You're gonna see her new hair. You ready to see your new? Oh my gosh, you look like a new person. It looks great. Wait, do you like it? Yeah? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? A double thumbs up? Yay! Genevieve, thank you.
My pleasure.
If you guys need to get your hair done, look, she's in LA in Sherman Oaks and
Head Better Salon.
Head Better. Okay.
My head's definitely better.
I love it. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, it is like a. So that's good. It looks.
And it's gonna get lighter, like you said, like every day.
Yeah.
Toner will wash out a little bit so we can look at it a little bit lighter.
You love it,
Right now
Isabella?
it's just real natural, pretty.
So what are you getting? You said you want to get your hair done when you turn 16?
Don't tell her. Don't you dare tell her what I wanted.
Okay, I won't say anything.
Be everything I need, 'cause you're the one, my only love. My Hollywood, my movie star. My summer shade, my beating heart. I need ya.